Hello friends, we have come up with a very interesting topic today, that is goal setting. So before we start with the topic, let me narrate you a small story, a very interesting story. And there was an ancient sage was training his disciples on art of archery. He put a wooden bird on the target and asked them to aim at the eye of the bird. The first disciple was asked what he saw. He said, I see the branches, the trees, the leaves, the sky, and the bird and its eye. The sage then asked his second disciple, what did he see? Then he said, I only see the eye of the bird. Then he said, very good, then shoot. The arrow went straight and hit the eye of the bird. This is our goal. Now let us take one more example where you are walking to a railway ticket counter and you are saying please give me a ticket. So the ticket counter person will ask you, where do you want to travel? What is your destination? And you say wherever you want you can give. That's not a problem. So the next person who walks to this ticket counter, he says, my destination is Delhi. I want to take an AC ticket. I want to travel by so and so express train by train number 72104, and I want the breakfast, lunch and dinner facility. So what do you understand? So the first person is not specific about his goal, and the second person is very much clear by which train he wants to travel, what facilities he wants, and he's specific about the train, everything. So, starting with our topic, that is goal setting. What we would learn: what is a goal, why people do not succeed in achieving their goals, why goals are important, how goals should be, how goals would enhance our personality. So mostly people have the goal of having financial freedom, they want to earn, want to have a good net worth. Okay, the second being the health. Health will be the primary objective of a person. If he is obese, he wants to become slim and he wants to stay healthy. The person who is sad, he wants to be happy. So what is a goal? Goal is a desired. So what is a goal? Goal, it is a desired result that a person plans and commits to achieve. What is goal setting? Developing an action plan designed to motivate and guide a person or group towards a specific goal. For example, if the manager wants to motivate his employees to achieve a 30% increase in sales this month. So what he has to do, he has to plan accordingly what will be the marketing strategy, how they will introduce the product into the market, and what the executives have to do. So that will be the goal setting. So can you imagine a car company without a monthly sales target? Highly impossible. You can see a pie diagram where you see the market share of each car company. Okay, so there is a saying your career is your business. It's time for you to manage it as a CEO. Why people do not achieve goals? They have pessimistic attitude, or you can say negative attitude, where negative attitude plus negative thought process will give negative outcome, whereas positive thought with positive hard work may 100% will not give positive outcome, but at least it will not give negative results. The fear of failure. Failure is the very biggest fear everyone has. What if I fail? Whatever I have committed, if I fail in that, what would happen? So never fear, nobody is perfect in this world. Go ahead and try, take initiative. Okay, next will be the habit of postponing. The habit of postponing, like let's do this task tomorrow, or after 1 month, after 1 week, whatever it is. Like if you're postponing, it is always on your head only, like you have to complete it, and there is always a command going in your mind, you have to complete it, you have to complete it. So postponing is not a good habit. So fear of rejection. What if my product is rejected? What if whatever I'm doing, it is rejected? Don't worry about that, because whatever you want to achieve, what is your goal, if that is for a good cause, then blindly go ahead and move towards your goal. A lack of self-awareness. Most of us, we don't know what are our strengths, what are our weakness, opportunities, and threats. So what happens, like we are not aware about ourselves. So what we do, we don't know what are the triggers that make us angry, that make us sad, that creates fear in us. Okay, next, procrastination. Procrastination is nothing but, what if this will happen, what if I don't get good results? So you are thinking even before the action is done. Next, being the poor time management skills. If you don't have good time management, so that creates a very, very bad impact on your goals, because you're not time specific. When you want to complete the task, you are saying one day I'll be like a wealthy person, but you're not specifying whether it is in 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years, or 5 years. So now everyone dreams. So we have dreams. So dreams have desires, and desires are always weak. But when you are having a goal, what is the difference between a dream and a goal? So goal is like when it is supported by desire, it has a direction, it has a dedication, determination, discipline, and a deadline. So definitely you will be successful in your life. So why setting up a goal? It gives long-term vision. So what you have to do, you have a like a plan or objective, like what you want to do in future, and short-term motivation. Now you will be motivated, like if I will be like if I'll be successful in achieving this goal, this would happen, this will be my benefit. It focuses on acquisition of knowledge. So to achieve that goal, you should have knowledge about that. Organize time. You have to organize your time in such a way that you reach towards your goal, and resources in that manner that you get maximum out of your life. A scale of measuring progress. So if you can rate yourself on a scale, measuring scale, so you can see your progress comparing with the benchmark. Whatever is the benchmark, or whatever is your previous achievement, you can set it as a target. Goals help us achieve more than your capacity. Goals always helps us give more than whatever we think we can do it. So how your goal should be? Your goal should be a SMART goal. It should be specific in the sense, like I want to be an HR manager, measurable during a duration of 5 years, and it should be achievable. It shouldn't be like I want to be the CEO of the company, so it's really difficult in 5 years. But if you say I want to be a manager, that is achievable, realistic. Now you should have a realistic goal. So you can't say like I'll be honest in 4 to 5 years or coming years, like that. So it should be always realistic, and it should be timely. Timely means time bound. So what is the duration in which you want to achieve this goal? Like it is 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or 5 years. So now if you see the steps, so what are the steps to achieve the goals or set the goals? So first is identify goal. Whatever, you have to be clear on what is your goal. Okay, then you have to set the objectives, how you want to achieve that goal. List out obstacles. Like definitely when you are going to achieve some goals, there will be definitely obstacles. So what are those obstacles? You have to always determine that. And next, identify people who will help you, who will be your obstacle. And the next will be like list your skills which match according to your goal, and develop an action plan how you want to achieve that, a blueprint. And next will be what are the benefits when you achieve that goal. You have to list that benefits as well. So now, what are the types of goals? So it can be a short-term goal, which is less than 1 year. It can be today, this week, this month, or this year. Long-term goals, which are up to 5 years. So in 5 years, like I want to be a CEO, I want to be a manager, I want to be a sales executive, I want to be a team leader, whatever it is, that is your long-term goal. Now we have fixed goals, goals with outcome, that is based on time specific or date specific. Like the next year I want to be a wealthy person, like by the year 2021 I want to be a wealthiest person. So my net worth should be at least 10 to 15 lakhs. So that it's like a fixed goal, specifying the date and the time. What is a flexible goal? Goals that have outcome but no time limit. So you have a goal but you don't have a time limit. So now we have the goal list. So it's very important, like you should have a to-do list. So within 1 week what you will do, within 3 months what you will do, 9 months, 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, what you will do. So it's very important you list out your goals, like related to your health, related to your finance, related to your education, related to spiritual, anything. So you have to decide what you expect in life. Okay, so that will be income. How much do you want to earn this year, next year, and in the next 5 years? Family, what kind of a lifestyle do you want to create for yourself and your family? Health, how would your health be different in near future or by the next year? You will start exercising, you will have more of veggies, you will change your diet. What is your action plan? What will be your net worth? How much do you want to save and accumulate in the course of your working lifestyle? So this is with our goal setting PPT. So thanks for watching. Do share with your friends. Be a part of good deed. Thank you very much. Like, share and subscribe if you really liked our video, and share it with your friends. It might be helpful for them. Thank you very much. Good day.